In the making of this library, I used many samples from different synths that I have here, some analog, mostly analog, some digital that I have there. So I created this expansion with kind of depth in mind. So everything is like really deep, slow. Let's go through some of the sounds here. So if we go through the arps, the idea here is that kind of one or two fingers create kind of a little universe of stuff. So things kind of come in and out, different rhythms. Let's listen to another one. Let's get some low note. So it's kind of slow, evolving, and you really need patience to let it go through the entire cycle. Yeah, so some atmospheric stuff. This is really cool. This is velocity arp, so it changes the parts according to how hard you play. So if I play soft, I get this. If I play harder, some ambient textures. Got quite a few of those. Some pads. I mean, there's so many sounds here. Some long, really slow pads. and some animated pads. So you really have to let it do the whole thing. I call them duration pad because you need to really let it do the whole, tell the whole story. Anyway, loads of stuff, some impacts. Which are like kind of plucks, melodies, things like that. There are over 181 presets, loads of stuff. There's some sequences. So these are like kind of one finger riffs. Stuff like that. Loads of synth sounds. Some kind of electronic wind instruments. So everything is kind of electronic, sci-fi-ish, ambient sci-fi, I guess. Yeah, loads of stuff. I really enjoyed making this expansion. I kind of dived into the abyss, and this is what came out. I'm really loving it. If you like this video, you know what to do. If you don't, you also know what to do.